I just want to ask you one question. Do you know where your plastic toothbrush is now?
Ever since then, the first toothbrush that all of us used in our childhood still exists on the earth if not recycled.
Have you ever thought about this? We have just not thought about this, but we have come up with a new idea.
Bamboo is a golden grass. Toothbrushes were invented in 1938, almost 80 years ago.
AGARO toothbrush is a natural toothbrush which is made up of a bamboo which is easily decomposable.
As we know, India is the world's second largest bamboo growing country, but still we are not using it for fullest. We are going to bring revolution using bamboo.
Introduce the AGARO toothbrush, which is BPA free, also made with the charcoal bristles and kids friendly.
Let's take a quick view of the product as we introduce AGARO bamboo toothbrush.